morning. Welcome to your 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We have some cloudy skies across the region as well as some chilly temperatures. You'll see that throughout much of the day today. Temperatures are reaching into the lower to mid-50s. It's about seasonal for this time of year, but with the onshore flow and cloudy skies, it will feel fairly chilly across the region. Very slight chance of some patchy drizzle across the region this morning, but most likely won't see that. And otherwise, not going to see any chance of precipitation next 24 hours or lightning across the area. Our current surface analysis, we do have a backdoor cold front that's moved south of our area. That's going to remain south of our area today and into tomorrow. It's going to keep us on the cooler side across the region with these low clouds in the area throughout the next 48 hours. Looking at our current observation, we have an overcast deck at 500 feet, 3 mile statute visibility with some mist, northeast winds at 10 knots, temperature 47 degrees, and relative humidity around 90%. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have that low cloud as well as some serious cloudiness across the region, and that low cloud is going to be in here throughout much of the day today. Possibility of seeing a few breaks in that low cloud for this afternoon as that March sun starts to erode that lower level cloud cover, but overall going to see a fairly cloudy and dreary day across the region. And looking at the HRM model for today, you can see cloud cover across the area around mid-afternoon. We could see a break in that low-level cloud cover, especially as we move inland. But here at Wallops, better chance we stay with the low clouds throughout much of the day. And moving into the evening hours, we'll see those low clouds really build back in the region. But no chance of precipitation, as I mentioned, just chance of some very slight chance of some drizzle across the area. And on our risk chart for today, we'll have a high around 56 degrees today, low tonight around 42. We'll see those winds increase later this afternoon out of the northeast, 10 to 15 knots. And up to 11 to 16 knots, gusts to 23 knots for the late afternoon. And with that, we have a yellow for our winds at or greater than 25 knots. We do have ceilings around 500 feet this morning, and then they'll be coming back in for the overnight hours tonight with some northeast winds around 7 to 12 knots. Our terminal forecast, we'll see those low clouds in the area throughout the day today. Looks like we should see ceilings up to about 1,000 feet by noon. We'll have a likely scenario. We do see a break in that cloud cover with the possibility of seeing some VFR conditions between noon and 1600 local. And then thereafter, we'll build back in that low-level cloud cover. And looks like Friday morning will be socked in once again with the low-level clouds around 300 to 500 feet, some reduced visibilities as well, and a chance of some fog overnight. Our tides are slightly above normal at this time, and Friday and Saturday. Friday, overcast to mostly cloudy, low clouds, slightly breezy, high 54. Friday night, overcast, low clouds likely, very slight chance of patchy drizzle, low of 45. And for Saturday, we'll see overcast to mostly cloudy skies to early afternoon with low clouds likely. We'll see some southerly winds on Saturday, so that'll allow for those low clouds to break up, looks like, by late afternoon with partly cloudy skies and some slightly breezy winds developing and a high around 63 degrees. Looks like those low clouds are going to hang on most of the day here at Wallops on Saturday. Inland locations, we'll see temperatures in the 70s on Saturday, but here on the coast, we'll see those low clouds lingering. If we do see a break in those low clouds earlier, those highs will be in the upper 60s, but right now expecting those low clouds to linger throughout much of the day on Saturday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back at 10 o'clock in the next 7 days.